Can you withdraw money from Cryptoguru? Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys if you are able to withdraw money from Cryptoguru or not. But before we begin, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right in. So, as you guys know, here on Cryptoguru's title on Play Store or App Store, it is saying that it's a trading simulator, meaning that this fund that you see here is not real. It's just a virtual capital that has been provided to you so that you could practice your trading skills on the app. This app particularly is strictly a simulator, so the provided fund is just a virtual capital that you can use to enhance your trading skills and nothing more than that. This is not real money and you cannot withdraw it. So if anyone says that you could withdraw money from Cryptoguru, then they are probably lying because there is no real money on Cryptoguru because this app is strictly for simulation purposes only. So you can mimic all of the trading experiences here without having to worry about losing real money. So you could really practice here and enhance your trading skills on this app. And no, you cannot withdraw money from this app because this is just a virtual money. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next video.